Guys, welcome back to She's Kitchen. Thanks so much for tuning in. So today I'm going to make a delicious chutney recipe. This is the Saravana Bhavan Kara chutney. This is one of the very common chutneys that we get in hotels, but the Saravana Bhavan style is very different and has its own unique flavor. Now let's see how to make it. So to the pan I'm adding oil, adding mustard seeds. Next I'm adding chana dal and urad dal. These actually make the chutney very delicious. It's like an added flavor. Asafoetida. Let these brown a little bit. So it's browned. Next I'm adding dry red chillies, garlic. Let this saute for a few seconds. Next I'm adding onions. Saute the onions for a minute. So it's been a minute. I'm going to add some coriander leaves. Next I'm adding tomatoes, rock salt. Mix everything well. So I'm going to allow this to cook nicely for about 10 minutes, and after it cools down I'll be transferring to the mixie. So it's cooled down, so I'm adding it. To this I'm going to add a little bit of grated carrot. This adds that, restaurant style taste to this dish. Just a little bit fresh coriander. I'm going to grind this to a fine puree. So yeah guys, chutney is finished. So today I will be serving this for breakfast with some idlis and dosas. Don't forget to add the carrot because that is the main ingredient in bringing the Saravana Bhavan hotel style flavor. So hope you guys try it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care everyone. Bye bye.